Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum students. Now we will discuss question number 2 of exercise 5.3 in this video. Now look at the question number 2 in this video. Given sets are universal sets, set A, set B and set C. 4 sets are there. अब हमने यहाँ पर जो प्रूफ करनी है प्रॉपर्टीज़, वो एक तो हैं एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टीज़. ये फर्स्ट पार्ट इज एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टीज़, प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ यूनियन विद, ठीक है, एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी विद रिस्पेक्ट टू यूनियन है ये, ठीक है. तो इसकी हम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड लेंगे. सेकंड पार्ट जो है वो है एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी विद रिस्पेक्ट टू इंटरसेक्शन, ठीक है. तो वो आप करेंगे. यहाँ पर मैं कर रही हूँ इसका फर्स्ट पार्ट, क्योंकि यूनियन लेना, इंटरसेक्शन लेना, यू नो दैट कि हाउ टू टेक, ठीक है. सिर्फ ये कि प्रैक्टिस हो जाए इन गिवन सेट्स के साथ, तो उसके लिए हम ले रहे हैं. नाउ वी टेक लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इज़ A union B union C. So for this, first of all we find the union of B and C set. Set B और set C की पहले यूनियन फाइंड कर लें. तो सेट B के एलिमेंट्स हैं 1 4 7 10. यूनियन सेट C के एलिमेंट्स हैं 1 5 8 10. Now take the union of these two sets. 1 4 5. Union mean, yes, collecting all elements of set B and C, 8 and 10. Okay. Okay. Now we take the union of this set with A. A union B union C. Set A 1 3 5 7 9. Union B union C 1 4 5 7 8 and 10, ठीक है. Now take the union of these two sets. 1 3 4 5 7 8 9 and 10, ठीक है. This is called result 1. Now take the right hand side. Right hand side is A union B, then take the union with C. A union B, then take the union with C. So first of all we find A union B. Set A is 1 3 5 7 9. Union set B. Set B has an element 1 4 7 10. Take the union of these two sets. 1 3 4 5 7 9 10. Write all the elements of these two sets in order. Now we take A union B union C. A union B is this set 1 3 4 5 7 9 and 10. Union set C has elements 1 5 8 and 10. Now take the union of these two sets. 1 3 4 5 7 8 9 and 10. Now compare both sets of left hand side and right hand side. Look at this. 1 3 4 5 7 8 9 10. Okay, so from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence proved A union B union C is equal to A union B union C. So यहाँ पर हमने प्रूव की एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी with respect to union by taking these three sets, by considering these three sets. Second part is the associative property with respect to intersection. तो वो आपने प्रूफ करनी है. सबसे पहले आपने इंटरसेक्शन ले लेना है A B का, फिर उसकी इंटरसेक्शन C के साथ लेनी है. और फॉर राइट हैंड साइड बी और सी की पहले इंटरसेक्शन लेनी है और जो आंसर आएगा उसकी इंटरसेक्शन ए के साथ लेनी है. ओके, अब हम करते हैं थर्ड पार्ट. Now look at this third part. This third part is the distributive property of union with distributive property of union over intersection. Union distribute हो रही है over intersection and this is equal to A union B intersection A union C. For this, first of all we take left hand side. Left hand side is A union B intersection C. So first of all we find B intersection C. Set B has element 1, 4, 7, 10. Intersection C. Set C has element 1, 5, 8, 10. 8 and 10. Now take the intersection. 1 is common in both set and 10 is common. 1 and 10. Okay, now consider A union B intersection C. Set A has an element 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 odd elements. Union 1, 10. ठीक है, अब हम इसके साथ यूनियन ले रहे हैं. So union mean write all elements in order of both sets. तो 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and last element 10. This is called result 1. Now consider right hand side. Right hand side is A union B intersection A union C. So for this, first of all we find A union B, then we find A union C and then take the intersection of both sets. So first of all A union B. A is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Union B. B is 1, 4, 7, 10. Union of these two sets is 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9 and 10. Okay. Next is A union C. Set A 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Union C. C has element 1, 5, 8 and 10. Take the union of these two sets 1, 3, 5, 7, 8 from there, 9 and 10 from there. ठीक है. Now take the intersection of these two sets. A union B intersection A union C. A union B is 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9 and 10. Intersection A union C has elements 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now take the intersection of these two sets. 1 is common in both sets. 3 is common in both sets, 5 is common in both sets, 7 is common, 9 is common and 10 is common. This is called second result. Now compare the first and second result. First result is has element 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10. So from 1 and 2 we have the result from 1 and 2. Left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence proved A union B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection A union C. In this way we proved distributive property of union over intersection. Similarly, you have to prove now the distributive property of intersection over the union. So question number 2 discuss कर लिया. Question number 2 is end now.